Brave has recently introduced a feature called Containers. This feature was originally introduced in Firefox as an extension called Firefox Multi-Account Containers. Containers let you stay signed into multiple accounts on the same platform, such as Discord or X, without having to constantly log in and out. Another benefit is that each container is isolated, so one online account cannot access the data or cookies from another. Even after you close and reopen your browser, you should remain signed into your accounts unless you clear the cookies. In this video, I'm going to test this feature using the Brave Flatpak package on Linux. You can install it by running the command provided on the Brave FlatHub page. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and launch the Brave browser. Next, open the Settings menu and navigate to the Content section. This is where you should find the Containers feature. If it isn't available yet, you'll need to enable it through Brave Experimental Features, also known as Brave Flags. After enabling it, the feature should appear in the Settings menu. As you can see, Brave already includes a few default containers. To use one, simply right-click the New tab button and select the container you want to open. If you prefer, you can delete the default containers and create your own with custom names. To use a container with an online account, open the desired container, sign into your account, and bookmark the page. The next time you want to access that account, simply right-click the bookmark and choose the appropriate container to open it. This makes it easy to keep multiple accounts for the same website separate while staying signed into each one.